Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox on Windows 11. I have already discussed VirtualBox in my previous videos, so you can go and check them out. Kali Linux is usually used by penetration testers and I will be showing you how to install it on VirtualBox. Let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is come on this website kali.org. It is the official website, and we'll just come here and click on download. Then we will be choosing a platform which will be virtual machines. Then I will be choosing the version here 64-bit, and as I want it for VirtualBox, I'll just click on download. It will start getting downloaded, and I'll just cancel it for now because I've already downloaded on my system. I'll just minimize this. So all you have to do is double click on this file which you have downloaded and it will open with VirtualBox. Just click on import, agree to the license agreement, and it will start importing the virtual disk image. So it will take a few minutes. Till then I'll pause the video and get back once it's done. So as you can see, it's done. I will just go to the settings and change the name. I'll keep it Kali Linux just for now, and you don't have to change any other setting in general. So in system, as I have a 16 GB RAM, I will be changing this to maybe 6000. So just try keeping it below the orange line. That's what I prefer. It won't use a lot of resources from your computer. And I will just increase the processors number. So you don't have to change anything else. Everything else is fine. I'll just click on OK. All you have to do is click on start, and it will just boot it up for you. So you don't have to do anything, it will boot automatically. So as you can see, it is booting the machine. It might take a few minutes, but as now you can see it is loading up. You just have to wait a little. It's taking a little time, but it should be done now. Alright, so it will ask you for the login ID and password. So the login ID is Kali and the password is also Kali. So I'll just log in. So you could ask, how do I know the password and the username? So if you open the VirtualBox manager here, you can see in the description they have already given it username Kali, password Kali here. So I also know it from here itself. I'll just minimize. Alright, as you can see, the machine is up and running. So if you want to change the screen size, go to applications, settings and display. So you can change the resolution from here. So I just prefer it keeping 1360 by 768, and I'll just apply it. I'll just keep the configuration. So if you want to increase the size even more, you could do that. So 1920 by 1080. So as you can see, the Kali machine is up and running. So that would be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. make sure to like and subscribe the video, and in the next video I will be showing you how to install Parrot OS on the system. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.